Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 30th, 2025, and we're diving into Qualcomm's second quarter fiscal 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Qualcomm has delivered a robust set of results this quarter, and I'm excited to break it down for our viewers.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Qualcomm reported a GAAP revenue of $11.0 billion for Q2 2025, marking a 17% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Qualcomm's revenue growth is primarily driven by its QCT segment, which saw an 18% increase in revenues. The diversification into automotive and IoT sectors has been particularly successful, with combined revenues from these areas growing by 38% year over year. This diversification strategy is clearly paying off.
And how about profitability? The company reported a GAAP EPS of 2.52 and a non-GAAP EPS of 2.85. How does this compare to expectations?
Qualcomm's non-GAAP EPS of $2.85 significantly beat the analyst's forecast of $2.27. This outperformance is a testament to their operational efficiencies and strong product portfolio, which have helped them navigate the challenging macroeconomic environment.
Segment performance and diversification. John, let's delve into Qualcomm's segment performance. The QCT segment seems to be a major contributor. Can you elaborate on its performance?
Absolutely. The QCT segment, which includes Qualcomm's semiconductor business, reported revenues of $9.47 billion, an 18% increase from last year. Notably, the automotive sector saw a remarkable 59% growth, and IoT revenues grew by 27%. Even the handset segment, which is more mature, grew by 12%, showcasing Qualcomm's strong foothold across various industries.
It seems like their diversification strategy is really taking shape. How important is this for Qualcomm's future?
It's crucial. By diversifying into automotive and IoT, Qualcomm is reducing its reliance on the traditional handset market, which is subject to cyclical fluctuations. This strategy not only stabilizes their revenue streams, but also positions them well for future growth in emerging tech sectors.
Return of capital and shareholder value. Moving on to shareholder returns. Qualcomm returned $2.7 billion to its shareholders this quarter. Can you break down how this was achieved?
Certainly. Qualcomm paid $938 million in cash dividends, which translates to an 85 cents per share. Additionally, they repurchased 11 million shares, amounting to $1.7 billion. This demonstrates Qualcomm's commitment to returning value to its shareholders through both dividends and share buybacks.
How does this impact investor sentiment?
Such significant returns are likely to boost investor confidence. It signals that Qualcomm is not only generating strong cash flows, but is also committed to sharing its success with its shareholders, which is always a positive sign for long-term investors.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, Qualcomm has provided guidance for the next quarter. What are the key points from their outlook?
For Q3 2025, Qualcomm expects revenues between $9.9 billion and $10.7 billion, with a non-GAAP EPS ranging from $2.60 to $2.80. The company remains focused on its diversification strategy and continues to invest in areas that drive long-term value, such as automotive and IoT.
Given the current macroeconomic challenges, how realistic is this guidance?
Qualcomm has a strong track record of navigating economic uncertainties, thanks to its robust technology roadmap and operational efficiencies. While external factors always pose risks, their strategic focus and diversified portfolio provide a solid foundation for achieving these targets.
Key takeaways. In summary, Qualcomm has delivered a strong performance this quarter, with impressive revenue growth and a significant beat on EPS expectations. Their diversification strategy and commitment to shareholder returns are key highlights. John, any final thoughts on Qualcomm's investment prospects?
Qualcomm's strategic initiatives and strong financial performance make it an attractive investment, especially for those looking for exposure to the tech sector's growth areas like automotive and IoT. Their ability to consistently return capital to shareholders further enhances their appeal.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Qualcomm's performance in the comments below. Until next time.